Hey chat, hi, what's up? Today we have India's best FIFA player and fastest growing streamer with us, Ankush Tharani. Welcome.
Thank you guys. Appreciate you guys having me on.
Second
course,
best FIFA
bro.
player.
Second best after Zeus.
Yeah, so Zeus and Ankush have a long-standing rivalry.
Our wager still has to happen.
Yeah, it'll happen. We'll
Bro.
do it.
I'll wager anything on Ankush.
Let me practice for
I'll
1-2
bet my
years. Then
house
we'll
on
do
this,
it.
bro. I'll bet my house on
Let me
this.
practice 1-2 years. You don't play for 1-2 years. Then we'll
Done. I'll
Zeus
still
is,
beat you.
1 minute, Zeus is ass, okay? He claims to be the best FIFA player in
I
this
am.
room. And I've beaten him.
I don't play
beaten him.
kickoff.
The
I don't
one
play
time we
kickoff.
played,
I don't play
beat him
kickoff.
3-2.
Okay, Ankush, back me up. That kickoff game is slower in
And,
general.
No,
than...
kickoff is very, very different to Ultimate Team.
Thank you.
But if you're really good at Ultimate Team, you should be able to play
No.
kickoff. There's no
Also,
excuses.
they were
Yes,
cheating.
thank
They
you.
were also
And I've
holding me
always-
back and all.
I've always
And he was
said
holding my
that
hand
I'm
when
a
I was
kickoff
playing,
player,
bro.
And I can beat anyone in kickoff, and I beat him.
We'll do a casual Stony soon. And we'll
Done,
get Ankush on
done,
also.
bro.
And I'll win for sure. Kickoff though, not ultimate.
Yeah, obviously.
Kickoff, Ultimate Team, whatever. it is,
Kickoff,
bro,
I'll beat
I'm in.
Ankush also.
I'm
That's
down.
Oh, I like it.
Oh, nice, bro. I need this wager, bro. Against both of you, 1-1. Like, I'll start with Zeus because he sees her first, and then we move on to Sammy.
Done.
Be happy to whoop
For
both
sure.
of you, bro.
Done.
But
Yeah.
anyway, today you're not here to debate who's the best FIFA player. We'll leave that for another episode.
Yeah.
Tanay, tell us why Ankush is here today.
So Ankush is here, obviously. We're going to play Know Your Club. These boys. Sammy's an Arsenal fan. Zeus is a Chelsea fan, as we all know. And
Let's go.
Ankush, like me, is a United fan. He can't... There's no jersey his size, so I'm wearing it. and no biases. I'll be a fair judge. So basically, Know Your Club is where I'll ask questions. The same question to all three of these guys. And they have to answer it about their own club. Alright?
Okay.
Everyone got the rules?
Good. Sounds
Let's
good.
go, baby.
Scorekeeper, we
I
good?
think we're gonna get exposed.
No. I'm gonna rock
I don't
this,
get
bro.
exposed, bro. Like, I claim to have
Yeah.
good ball knowledge.
He's
so-
also the fastest growing streamer in
He
India.
should have
so
the most
better-
ball knowledge here.
Yeah, and he has a lot riding.
He also supports the biggest club. So knowledge should be up
Yeah.
there.
And he's
biggest
also the
club.
biggest on the set. So
Yeah.
he has a
Buy
lot of
mile,
space for
buy a
knowledge.
mile.
Okay. Round 1 is 1 point each, and if you can guess the number where applicable, you get 1 extra point. And another thing, so let's say you all made your guesses, and everyone is wrong. I'll give the closest one 1 extra point.
Okay.
Cool.
Only if we all are
Done,
wrong.
done.
But that is
Yes.
so subjective.
I mean, it's straight math, bro.
Okay.
If you're 50 closer and he's 60 closer, you will win the
it's
point.
numbers. Okay,
yeah,
okay.
where applicable.
Okay.
Oh, damn. Okay.
Bro, you're already arguing
I'm
minus 1, I'll give
anticipating
you.
the questions
Sammy the
right now.
minus one.
Sammy minus one, I'll give it to you.
Sammy
If
minus
you
one.
want.
No, okay, I mean, I'm going to win anyway, so I don't mind.
He also
signing
said, I
up.
think the school
I
is
don't
going
mind
to be
giving you all a
shit.
handicap.
Before under.
Okay, 0-0-0. Here we go. We'll start with Sammy for every question.
Cool.
Done.
What the hell? But that's putting me at a disadvantage, right?
No, it's different.
In every
answer.
question in this round, we'll start with Sam.
Okay, cool.
Bro, winners win.
Bro, stop arguing.
Don't complain.
Who is the top goal scorer of your club? One bonus point if you can get the right number as well.
Thierry Henry.
Okay, that's right.
Rooney, and I think
No, I have to guess the
Yeah,
number,
guess
right?
now.
287.
Okay.
I think you're off. I'm going to say Rooney, and I think it's 260 or 261. I'm not sure. I'm going to say 261.
Cool. So Rooney's right.
Yeah, okay, mine's Lampard, and I
Yeah.
was gonna say 264, but now that he said Rooney 261, I'm gonna go Lampard 228.
Alright, so 228 was Henry.
What the fuck?
253 Rooney and Lampard is 211.
Oh, shit.
But Ankush gets the point anyway.
What?
Oh, sick.
Because he gets the closest, right?
I
260 to
forgot.
253.
Charlton
yeah.
was 249 and Rooney broke the record 250. I forgot.
Yes.
Man.
Yeah.
But you said you only give closest when all of us get it wrong.
So you
Yeah,
all
all
got
of
it
us
wrong.
got
Okay,
it
if we
wrong.
got the number wrong
Yeah.
as well. Okay,
Yeah.
got it.
So 1 to Sammy, 2 to Ankush and 1 to Zeus.
Okay, God.
And
Now I
please
understood.
follow along.
Now I understood
Okay.
the rules.
I'm damn bad with numbers,
Now I
bro.
understood the rules.
Done?
I was going to say 207, but I didn't.
Question number 2.
That
Who
was
has
11 off.
the most appearances for your club? Also give me the number if you know.
Okay, I am going to say David Seaman.
And how many appearances?
He's wrong.
500 and something.
Wrong and wrong.
Perfect. I'm going to say Giggs
Yes.
and 932.
I know.
Close.
I'm
Zeus?
gonna say. I know Terry's second. There's this old guy. I think his name is like Rob Harris.
What did you say?
Rob Harris.
And how many appearances?
Ooh.
325.
325.
Yes.
How many?
Wait. 400.
Do I get another chance
Okay.
on mine? I know mine.
Because
I got mine.
okay, wait. Ankush has one right for sure. I'll give him a chance because your name was wrong, but it was close. I'll give it to you. It's Ron Harris.
Ron Harris.
Mm.
I'll give it to you. 1 point. Now go.
Respect.
Tony Adams.
No.
Shit, bro. Who is this?
It's some
Elbow
old guy
Roberts.
only, bro.
David O'Leary.
O'Leary.
oh,
It's a tough one.
Yeah,
bro. It's
yeah,
an
yeah.
older
I
guy.
know.
I wouldn't have got that.
Giggs was the
Yeah.
easiest out of them.
Yeah.
And you were closest to, what did you say, 950 something?
I said what? I don't know. I said 930 something.
I said 400. I don't know what I'm thinking.
Yeah, he was the closest again. So 2 points for Ankush, 1 for Zeus, 0 for Sammy.
These numbers, bro. I hate numbers.
No, but also
What was his
Ankush's
actual appearances?
Yeah, yeah.
How many actual
963 appearances for
close.
Ryan
That's
Giggs.
close.
And how
many
much did you
for
guess?
my guy, Ron
I said
Harris?
930 something.
Ron Harris had 724, David
said
O'Leary
932, I said.
688.
What did I say?
238 now. Bro, 400 is too low for the...
I did
Yeah.
I say
So
400?
that's
Yeah.
what I was going to
Yeah,
say. Y'all have
400
no
is too low.
history, nothing, bro.
Alright.
Who's the only one that got it wrong?
Alright, question
Bro,
number
I'm bad
3.
with numbers.
Who has the most assists for your club? Number applies again.
How do I know all of Sammy's answers?
Yes.
Even I feel like I know his answer, but
Thierry Henry?
Wrong.
that
Bro,
would have been my guess. I'm
I'm gone, bro. I'm fucked.
There's some hella easy questions.
gonna say Giggs again. And
Correct.
I'm gonna say
I know.
118.
Nope.
Oh fuck, wait, that's
Go
too
for
low,
it.
no?
That is quite low.
195 by the greatest English midfielder of all time, Frank Lampard.
Frank Lampard is correct. Sammy, you didn't tell me what the number was. If your number is closer, I'll give you a point.
What did you say yours was?
I don't know.
It's a different player
Yeah.
though. It doesn't
Yeah, yeah.
matter.
175.
But can I fuck with Sammy's answers? Can I say Sammy's answer
Guess.
for a point?
Not for a point. Just
It's
guess.
Bergkamp.
Yeah, it's Dennis Bergkamp.
Bro, I thought it was Henry or Bergkamp.
Yeah, I want to say the number again, bro. 180
No.
was too low, bro.
I can't, bro.
Okay,
Can't do
fair,
it.
fair.
So Dennis Bergkamp 116 assists, Giggs 266,
Jeez, I was
Frank
way
Lampard
off.
146. So 2 points for Zeus, 1 for
The greatest English
Ankush.
midfielder. of
But
all time.
Henry and Bergkamp are very close, bro. in
Ah,
the
they
assists.
must be, but Bergkamp's right.
I mean, whoever.
I don't want to play this game. And I don't want to go first, man.
Okay, after 7 questions, we'll switch to Zeus in this round only. Cool. Who is your club's current manager? Very easy.
Shit. Mikel Arteta.
Ruben Amorim.
Enzo Maresca.
Cool. Great. Sammy's
God.
on the board.
Is that,
Quick
that's
single.
not your first point.
That's my first point.
Oh yeah,
Is
fuck.
that actually his
I got
first
all
point?
wrong.
No, he got Henry. He got
No,
Henry.
he got Henry.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh,
he got
oh,
Henry.
sorry,
Yeah, you
sorry,
got
sorry,
something.
sorry. Quick double.
Cool. What is the name of your club stadium? And if you get the closest to the capacity as well, I'll give you another point. And with this, I'll give you approx as well. 1,000 here and there. I'll give it correct.
Up and down.
Yeah.
So I'm going first with
Highbury.
Emirates Stadium.
Emirates is correct.
60,500.
Good guess. I'll give it to you. 2 points for Sammy.
Old Trafford, and the capacity I'm gonna go for it's in the high 70s. 78,000 I'm gonna go.
Isn't it 80k?
Wrong. It's
Wrong.
74,310. And Zeus?
Stamford Bridge 47,000.
Yuck.
Stamford Bridge
small.
correct. Number wrong. It's 40,341.
Oh, even smaller.
Are you sure about that Old Trafford number? I'm pretty
Yes.
sure it's high 70s.
Bro, are you questioning the judge?
Sorry.
Yeah, yeah. Please, you have come in on our podcast. Please respect the people of our podcast.
Sorry.
Okay. You got everyone's points for that? Thank
I
you.
got 2 points up for that.
2-1-1.
You doubled up again.
I got 2. The intern is fucking ahead. Huh? This is the score
Okay,
keeper.
what is your team's current kit supplier?
Adidas.
Yes.
Adidas.
Nike.
Cheating, bro. He's cheating. And so is Ankush, because you're wearing a United
I
shit.
knew it. My third kit has that standing tick.
It's allowed. You also cheated now. You look back at Henry and all for the first question.
Oh shit, I could have, but that's why. Whatever, continue.
Okay. We'll move on to how many titles has your club won? We'll start with the Premier League and pre-1996 count. So all-time Premier Leagues.
Pre 996.
Counts.
Premier League started in 1992.
1992.
Whatever. 1992 again.
But
You get 1 point for that.
Pre-1992 counts.
Okay.
So total Premier Leagues.
Fuck. 3-9-9-2 was football, bro.
Bro, even I know this fast. Now you have to
Yeah,
know
13 trophies.
13 is correct.
20.
20 is correct.
Top.
So easy,
Yeah.
man.
Not for long. We're going to be tied with Liverpool.
7. 8.
Y'all have 6.
Bro, that's way, bro. One off.
That.
Fuck, we on 1 before 92. I thought 2.
Bro, whenever Chelsea gets the chance to flex a trophy cabinet, they do, man. You should know
But
this.
it's 1 before. I didn't know how many before 92.
I expected more from you.
96.
Chappily.
This Ankush has come before and said Zeus has more ball knowledge. Well,
I
you're in the
actually-
gutter right
no,
now.
I actually thought like Zeus has the most ball knowledge
I
from
do.
everyone here.
You also thought he was the best at FIFA in this room.
No, I never
Clearly he's
thought that.
not.
He claimed that. I never
Undefeated,
thought that.
undisputed in all football links. Undefeated, undisputed.
That is true. Okay. We'll move on to Sammy's favorite question, but we can start with ZS now. Yes. How many Champions League does your club have?
Yeah, I know Arsenal.
Including includes European Champions Cup as well.
2.
Correct.
3.
Yep. Say it, bro, with your chest.
0.
The number's the shape of your head. Got it? 1 each.
Slap him, bro, if he's talking to you disrespectfully.
Cool. How many Champions League finals has your team lost? Again, includes the European Champions Cup. All time.
That's tough.
ZS go first.
1.
Correct.
Oh, this is tough. I mean, I know we lost 2 to Barca, 9 and 11.
Hey, easy. Huh?
And
9 and 11. Can I say anything on the show? Meaning anything?
So do you think it happened or?
bro, I make no comments on this. No, but I'm gonna say overall 4.
Wrong. It's 2.
Oh fuck, it's those 2.
Yeah.
Shit, okay.
So I know 1 for sure, which was against Barca.
Barca has fucked both
Barca's
our teams.
fucked all of us, bro.
Apart from that, in my lifetime, there's not been any championship final.
So what's your
Champions League
guess, bro?
final
I don't need a
appearances.
backstory.
I don't know about the European Cup though. I'm going to say 1.
One is
Exactly.
correct.
Yes.
I don't know about the European Cup either. I just assumed that we would have. But okay.
Alright, ZS, starting with you again. How many Europa Leagues does your club have?
2.
Correct.
1.
Yep.
0.
Baku, baby.
It could have been 1 all. Could have been 1 all.
Imagine if I would have
Lit.
said 1. Like, imagine if I thought we had more European titles than 0. I mean, that would have been more embarrassing than saying 0.
Then
So,
actually winning?
yeah. Then no, I'm whatever. The fact that we won 0 and I know 0 is fine. If
Yeah,
I would
that's
have
fine.
guessed
That's
more than
fine.
that, then that would have been a little embarrassing.
Stupid logic.
Okay, cool. How many FA Cups does your team have?
Then, huh?
0 first, bro, now.
All time.
All time.
Before 1996.
96, 92, everything included.
Before footballers invented.
Before ball was
9.
9, close, 8.
Fuck off, bro. That plus
we-
minus 1, bro. Come on.
Ankush Saryani.
We've got 13.
Correct.
I know we have the most with 16.
14.
14. Shit. He knows
One
every
more
time his
than-
club loses in the final, he knows.
That's what I know. Right? Exactly.
Okay, ZS again. How many EFL or English League Cups does your team have?
Oh yeah, no clue, bro, for this.
Wait, so that includes Carabao Cup, Reading Cup.
Yes. All the name changes it includes.
Darling Cup. OG.
Carling Cup. 7.
5.
If Chelsea have 5, United have to have more, I think.
Probably
so,
10, bro.
So I'm gonna go with like 11.
We have 6.
That less.
3 or 0.
Close. 2.
Bro, Arsenal. Bro,
What a joke.
like a club.
Shut up, we have more FA Cups than you. What are you doing? What a joke. What a joke.
Bro, but
Mother
actually,
chode. It's not even counted.
bro, club that was like, bro, they came into existence in like 2004 and they have more like fucking European trophies and all than you.
Yeah, because they cheated, no? Of course they should have. Of course they should have so many.
1905 on this day. Happy birthday, Chelsea Football Club.
Next question. Arteta's favorite. How many Community Shields, English Super Cups or Charity Shields does your team have?
Not UEFA Super Cups, no, only
No.
English.
Cups.
UEFA Super Cups shall have played? How
No.
many?
0. I don't get a point for that.
Okay, so can you repeat? Community Shields.
Whatever, bro. Community Shield and whatever it was called before.
Wait, we won 4.
Correct, bro. What the
Just maths. Just maths.
You guessed that. You guessed that. No, you guessed that. I was like, there's no way he knows that, bro. There's no way.
He researched that,
Maths,
bro.
bro. It's maths.
He researched that.
You got all the trophies wrong, right?
Yeah.
Except Charity Shield. Shows you the importance of them. Arteta was right all along.
I got only FA Cup and Carabao wrong by 1.
Okay.
Ankush, yeah.
I'm gonna take a guess because I have no idea. But if we won 20 leagues and 13 FA Cups, we've been quite a few. So I'm gonna
Math,
do
huh?
some
Good,
quick
big
math.
math
Maths.
guy.
I'm gonna say we won like 60% of them. So I'm gonna say like 19, 20.
21.
Oh, yes! bro.
Fuck.
That's a good guess. That's a good guess.
And Mr. Charity Shield?
You also probably played like
13.
Wrong, 17. Oh, fuck. And final question of this round. How many FIFA Club World Cups does your team have?
Can I go first?
Go.
No.
This is so easy for Arsenal, bro. This is so easy for Arsenal.
1.
And I don't know if it's 2 or 3. I'm just gonna say 3.
2.
It's 1.
Fuck off, really?
Wait, what?
And
0.
Arsenal.
Oh, that's
Yours
too
has
easy,
one more
bro.
than mine. Just shut up.
You should have won 2, bro.
Cool. Round is done. Points are good.
Okay, we lost to
Thank
that
you.
Corinthians in the finals, bro.
That's
I'll never
embarrassing.
forget that.
Who
But
did we
what's
even
more
lose
embarrassing
to,
is
bro?
never making it.
Yeah, they're not even playing the World Cup. Now they'll play it. No. Then changed the rules, recently that the Club World Cup is. gonna
Yeah,
have,
they've
like-
changed some rules.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you the scores because
Rob
they're very
Harris was
close. Scores after round 1. Sammy has 10. Zeus has 12.
Ooh,
and
not
Ankush also has 12.
Oh.
Not bad. Not bad.
Ball knowledge.
Ball knowledge.
Respect,
Let's go.
respect.
I'm gonna come in the end and just snatch it.
Come in the end.
He's gonna come in
Come
there.
in the end.
You're always supposed to come in the end.
Round 2, 3 points each. Let's go. When was the last time your team won the Premier League? You got to give me the exact season, like 95, 96 or whatever it is. 3 points.
Who are we
Starting.
starting with?
Back
no,
to
no,
Sammy.
I don't want to start.
Back to Sammy.
I can start also.
It's fresher for y'all, bro.
I don't know yours, bro. Like, okay, but I know my
Yeah.
answer. I know.
I know Arsenal's and United. Chelsea, I'm not sure.
I know United.
If he gets... Okay, wait. Steal points for this?
Yeah.
But he's saying he knows both of us and you just steal points.
That's you're favoring him just because he's y'all went to
course,
school
bro.
together.
No steal points.
2004, 2005.
Yeah.
That is wrong.
It's
No
3-4.
way, actually.
It's
3-4.
3-4.
Oh yeah, Invincibles was 3-4. Right, yeah.
Shit, man.
4-5 was Chelsea, right?
Last?
No, not the last. Like they
Yeah,
just
we
said
wanted
it.
to put.
Ankush?
For United, it was 2012-13.
Correct. Chelsea? Oh, yeah.
You tripped us up with the 4-5.
Bro, it's 3
No, think
points
of the
for one.
manager.
Yeah, I'm thinking of Conte only, but I don't know about okay, years I'm bad with 16-17. No. 16-17.
Yes.
I
wish you fucked it up, bro.
16-17.
Question number 2. Which keeper has had the most clean sheets for your club in the Premier League?
I think it should be easy for me.
Should I start?
If you know it, go for it.
Perechek.
Yes. Correct.
David De Gea.
Absolutely right. He's only good at answering the 0-0 Champions League question.
David Seaman.
Yes.
I
thought it was
the layman.
Yeah, even I was.
He came in late with the semen.
I came in early.
Came in last, bro. As long as you came in last, it's fine.
Okay, which defender has had the most Premier League clean sheets for your club?
Tony Adams.
Wrong.
No way, really.
It's Nigel Winterburn.
Who?
Exactly.
Left back, no?
I don't know.
He
The
a
name was Nigel Winterburn.
Commentator.
I'm gonna guess Rio.
Correct.
Sick.
Damn.
JT?
Oh.
JT, John Terry is also correct.
Rio was good, like Rio.
I would have not said Rio to be
Terry
honest.
was very easy. Like
Yeah,
Rio
Terry
was
was
there
easy,
for a
Terry
long
is.
time, though. Rio was
Yeah.
there for a long time, so.
I love
And
Rio.
like in our most successful
I was thinking
period.
Neville, but I guess he didn't.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
I was
would
thinking
think
like Gary
Neville.
Neville. That was my thought.
It
Yeah,
wasn't.
that
him.
actually could have been a shout. I was just thinking centre backs.
All right, round number
Yeah, for
3.
some reason I didn't think of a full back.
Round 3, 5 points per question.
Damn, okay.
Most of these I'll say 2 out of the 4 of these are you have to name 5 things.
Okay.
And
Okay.
as many as you get right, I'll give you those many points.
Got it.
And I'll give you 6 chances to name 5. Cool?
Got it.
Okay.
We'll start with Zeus. Name your club's last 5 managers before the current one, interim included.
Balls. Okay.
Yours is easier than.
Okay. I'm not
So
good at that.
out of 6, you have to get 5 right. I'll give it to you.
Enzo.
No, not including Enzo. Restart.
Not including Enzo.
Yeah.
Poch.
Yes.
Lampard.
Yep.
Tuchel.
Correct.
Lampard again.
No. No.
Was there? So you're saying that someone like
So you have 2 guesses left and 2 managers left.
who was that interim manager, man? Steve Bruce.
Wrong.
But that's England.
Yeah.
Last
yeah,
guess.
but
That's
what?
England.
Steve
That's
Bruce
England. That's
manager.
England. That's England. That is the and Lampard, bro. Lampard was the manager for Tuchel.
Bro, I'm going to give you one more guess. You have 5,
Bro, how can you not
4,
get this, bro? So easy.
3.
Conte.
Wrong.
I don't
You
know,
missed
bro.
Graham Potter.
Oh,
and-
Oh, even I didn't even.
And
That's like a part of my mind that's deleted.
Bro, but the thing is that they change managers so often.
Yeah, it
like,
is tough
it's
for us.
fucking-
And Bruno Salto. You missed.
Yeah.
Who the
fuck.
Okay, Ankush. Zeus gets 3 points. Correct.
Okay, I'm gonna. So I can't say Amorim.
Not Amarim before him, including
Damn,
interim
bro,
managers.
this is gonna be-
Okay, so Eric Ten Hag, Ralph Rangnick, we had Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, Jose Mourinho, and Van Gaal.
So Van Gaal, Mourinho are wrong.
Wait,
I'm going to give you. So you have one more guess, and you're missing 2 managers.
last 5 you said.
Yes.
Oh, I know one.
Yeah, even I know one. I know 2.
I said Oli, Rangnick, Eric. Fuck, I've deleted these parts from my.
The times have been so good.
Oh.
Shall 1, 5, 4,
Wait, give me 1 second.
3, 2, 1. You have to just throw out a name.
Blank, bro. Giggs.
Wrong.
Carrick or Fletcher?
Oh, Carrick, fuck!
Carrick?
Carrick!
Nistel Roy.
Nistelrooy. Next time,
Oh, I
next
forgot
time,
about this.
Even I forgot about
next time you shit on our ball knowledge online. You be
I never said online. I showed you personally.
only your face.
I text him to him.
Respect,
I
respect,
text him
respect.
directly
Yeah,
saying you have
respect.
shit ball.
Respect.
Be in the moment. Not on the screen.
Private shaming is fine. Public shaming, not
Fair.
fine.
Absolutely
Fuck, I
fair.
forgot Van Nistelrooy, bro.
How did I forget
I'm
Potter,
actually damn
man?
annoyed with
Potter was, that was easy, man. Chal, Sammy, I think you have the toughest one.
Yes. So it's.
So, and your lowest on points.
It's not hard.
Unai Emery.
I'm going to give you 7
Hey,
out
bro,
of 5.
this is
5 out of
cheating.
7. Chal na.
He's not going to get
Unai
it.
Emery.
Correct?
Freddie Ljungberg.
Wow.
Cool.
Correct.
Then Arsene Wenger.
Of course.
So 3 are done.
Yeah.
There's this guy from.
Before Wenger is like,
So there's this guy from B. His last name I think is Bush, something like
Wrong. That's 4 guesses.
Come in
You
the
have 3
bush.
more
that.
guesses.
Brioche.
Wrong.
Brioche.
Brioche.
you have a bread as
But
a
his last name
manager.
is something like that.
Sado.
Graham Taylor.
Wrong. One last guess.
I'm fucking his name up, man.
Chal, Sammy.
Told you.
He's the one we won the double with.
You all want a double?
You must have really enjoyed watching football in those days.
Chal, Sammy. 5.
Why don't you just give me like
10.
1 more minute.
Bro, I'm so pissed about Van Nistelrooy.
Fuck, episode
Unbelievable.
Potter,
Five.
but actually fuck it. That's erased.
4.
I'm
It's out of
fucking
my
his
mind.
name up,
3.
man.
2. Throw out a name. Fast.
I can't remember his name.
3.
Steve Bruce.
Done with the guesses. So it was done. Done.
Yeah,
Time's
stop
up.
acting to
Time's
know
up.
anything
Okay.
before Wenger, bro.
Pat Rice
Pat Rice
and
is-
Stuart Houston. Where's Brioche in that now?
Brioche.
No, there's this guy with B, bro.
Bush,
before
Bush.
Wenger.
Come in the bush.
Before Wenger.
if it's, I'll look it up. If it's right,
Yeah.
it's right, bro. What's his name?
Bro, I got
Brioche.
fucked by these interims.
I'll just
bro.
type
Something with
These-
B, bro.
Yeah,
I'm
man.
not too sure about
Actually,
his
I
name.
fucked up Potter, so I didn't.
Yeah,
He
Pat
was actually
Rice.
a manager.
It
I
should be
didn't-
before Pat Rice or something like that from B.
Chelsea's actually hard to keep
Okay.
track also. Bhai.
What's
I'll
his
give you
name?
one point.
Managers
Wait.
especially.
What's his name exactly?
It's Bruce Rioche and Stuart Houston were managers.
Bruce Rioche.
Bro,
So you made it Brioche.
I'm ready to that. That's B Riosh, bro. That's B Riosh, bro.
I actually think out
we
of
should get
pity,
it.
I think out of
I
pity we
should
should
get
give it
that
to him,
point.
bro.
One more
Brioche.
point for
That
Sam.
was
That
good,
was the
bro.
toughest. Brioche.
So
Brioche.
3-3-4.
Chal, done, bro.
Thank
Done.
you, boys.
Done.
Thank you, boys. I wish I go. Whatever.
You
Continue.
got a pity for
Alright, we'll start. Who do we start that one with? Zeus. Again, Zeus will go. Who is your club's youngest player to play in the Premier League? If you give me the age, I'll give you. So it's 3 points for the name and 2 points for the age. And age can be like if he's 22 years and 340 days, can be 22 years old or 23 also. I'll take.
Repeat it.
Club's youngest player to play in the Premier League.
Cool.
3 points for the name, 2 points for the age.
That's a
Bro, I
tough
have
one,
no
bro.
clue.
I even have no clue.
I'm thinking of Academy boys.
Okay, Sam, if you know it, you can go ahead.
Billy
don't-
Gilmore.
Wrong. It's Jody Morris, 17 years, 43 days.
How could
Bro, it's
you
going to
not
be
know
all
Jody
these
Morris?
random
Yeah,
fuckers who
bro.
made one appearance. Like,
Go now.
okay, I am going to go
5 points.
completely out of the picture. I'm going to say Kiko Makeda.
I
Oh,
love
that
him,
was a
but it's
good
wrong.
guess.
He was the youngest one to score a hat trick, right?
No,
No,
just
no.
score a goal.
A goal.
Just score a goal.
It's Angel Gomez.
What a goal.
How could you not know
16, 16 years.
No, I actually
263
knew that.
days.
Fuck, okay.
He's playing for us right now. Numeneri. Numeneri.
That was so easy, bro.
Brioche.
Numeneri.
Nuaneri, correct?
That was so easy, bro.
Let's go. I almost
And
said
then-
Jack Wilshere, bro.
Bro,
It
you know
came
he's
to me
taking
in
the
the
lead,
last
now.
second.
Yeah,
He's
man.
taking the lead with that.
You don't want to guess his age?
15 years and 47 days.
15 years and 181 days. So Sammy gets
Bro, wait, I
5
thought
points.
it's not legal to play until you're 16, I thought.
The boys get 0-0. These
I
guys.
didn't know, so I thought you
Easy
can't play until you're
question you
16.
gave him.
I think it might be the professional contract. You're not allowed to sign till you're 16, but if you're on the academy contract.
Alright,
you're still there.
this is a fun one.
Again, I'm totally making it up. I don't know.
Said it with conviction, bro. I believed it.
This is a fun one. We'll go your front jersey sponsor. If you can name me 5 all time, I'll give you 5 points.
Oh,
With
lovely question.
6-7 guesses. No sponsor doesn't count.
What shit, bro? Come on, that's unfair, bro.
Arey, also easy shoot.
No, man, not easy.
But you guys
bro.
have had a lot, actually.
No sponsor.
Some are easy. Doesn't count. Okay, wait.
Okay.
So 7 guesses for 5 answers.
Infinite Athlete.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This jersey
Yeah,
is
yeah.
Infinite Athlete. It came later
That's
in the
correct.
season.
Infinite athlete. I'll give it to you.
Samsung.
Yes.
Yokohama.
Correct?
Yokohama.
Correct, correct.
Yokohama tires. I think you should get
No,
that.
Yokohama.
It's Yokohama
Yokohama,
tires, bro.
Yokohama.
Okay.
Bro, I don't
Even I thought that's
fucking
why even I hesitated a bit. But 3 for 3, so far.
Samsung before Samsung.
Dream 11.
What was the first sponsor that you said? Infinite?
Infinite Athlete.
Infinite athlete.
It's our
Yeah.
current sponsor
Yeah, I
also.
think
It's that I weird.
Yeah, that is
And
right.
it's
That is right.
Todd Bowley's company only.
Money laundering
Sharp.
101.
Yeah.
Who's gonna take a guess? Sharp.
Wrong. So
That's
you
not-
helped me out
yeah,
with that.
Fuck, I know 5 United ones are not
Last 5 you said or any 5?
Any 5.
Any 5. Okay.
Yeah, if it's there, I'll give it to you. So you're 3 out of 4 correct right now.
I don't know anymore.
Bro, say na yaar. It's not that
I'm
hard.
just gonna say ones that's of this. That's the fuck.
Say, bro.
I know 400%. I'm pretty sure I'll get like.
One is easy. The other 2, 3 are a little harder. I'll help you like that. Should I help him some more or no? You guys tell me.
He doesn't want it.
No, he doesn't need it. Yeah.
Airtel.
Should I say Geo only, not directly, bro? Done.
Done guessing?
Can I guess one of his? No.
I mean,
no,
to play the
don't
game,
actually.
you
Try.
can fuck around, yeah.
It's
So you got 3, 0.
LG wasn't one of those.
No.
That was Fulham.
Yeah. Okay, me.
I'll tell you the rest.
Yeah,
that I
tell
have.
me now. There's one I'm thinking
The
of. An
easy
old
one you missed was Fly Emirates.
Oh, bro, I
Oh, yeah,
completely
when
forgot.
And
Mourinho
then
came in was Fly Emirates.
3.
I was looking at it. Also,
Three. Yes.
I was thinking of 3 only. Fuck. There's one old one, retro one.
So Autoglass, Cause,
Autoglass,
Amiga
Autoglass,
and Commodore.
Autoglass. My favorite Chelsea kit has an Autoglass one.
Yeah. Now say,
Bro,
na.
but-
Now say anything you want.
3 you should have known.
Yeah, 3 I should
And
have
even
known.
Fly Emirates probably.
Bro, yeah,
Lamps
yeah.
used to wear that.
Yeah, but
Emirates,
no,
you should
I'm-
have
You all
gone.
were
Man, I
peaking.
don't
Yeah,
care
you should have
about
gone
accessories.
Fly.
I'm not interested.
Okay, Ankush Tharyani. Let's go,
Okay,
baby.
I'm gonna start with TeamViewer, obviously. Then Aeon, AIG, Sharp, Vodafone.
It's so easy, bro.
Man, banged it, but yeah, very
Banged
easy.
it. 5 for 5.
I think Arsenal have had only like 5 or 6.
Yes, I have 5 out here.
So it's Fly Emirates, and then you wanna
Fly
give
Emirates
it
is
to-
one, no?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
just
yeah.
saying. O2.
Correct.
Before that, then we had Dreamcast.
Yes, wow.
We had JVC.
Yep.
And I'm missing
I'm
one.
impressed by Sammy's ball knowledge.
I'm
That was pretty
missing
good.
one.
3 guesses for 1, bro. So you can throw out a couple.
Geo.
O2.
Buy
Emirates,
juice.
Dreamcast. JVC. Those are the only ones I remember.
So Ankush, I would have added Chevrolet also to yours.
Oh, Chevy, yeah.
But I mean, I could only get
Yeah,
5,
yeah,
right?
5
Max
is good.
5.
Done.
Oh, did we have Opel?
No, I can check, but
You all have had a lot
No, it's AC Milan.
Of sponsors in the last few years.
Chal, 2 guesses,
United,
1.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah,
gonna press you
United
for
have had
time.
quite
a
a
bit.
few.
JVC, Emirates.
Because what, like,
I forgot about Chevrolet actually, you know.
O2.
but like in the last 10 years, you'll have had AIG, Chevrolet.
All these are in the past 10 years.
Yeah,
Besides
yeah,
Sharp.
yeah.
Sharp was the only old
Yeah,
one.
Sharp was the only old one.
And Vodafone.
Vodafone,
Old
I
one.
guess 20 years.
It was
2000s.
it was yeah, the 2000s. Yeah.
Sick.
Van Nistelrooy.
Yeah.
That was the black
Yeah.
collar.
Veron.
I got the blue
Yeah,
one.
Sebastian
yeah.
Vettel.
Forlan.
Yeah.
Oh,
for
yeah.
that. No, I think of Van Nistelrooy when I think
Yeah,
of
yeah.
that kid.
Chal, Sammy. 10 seconds. Huh?
Chal, you've got some pretty
Yeah, you
points
got 4,
anyways,
yeah,
bro.
we
You
give
These
got
are the
fucking
classic
easy
jerseys
questions
also that we've had.
Well, look around, look, see if there's anything.
Bro, Ankush, don't help.
No, there's
There
nothing.
isn't,
That's
there
why.
isn't.
That's why I said look.
O2 Emirates.
Texas? Sahara?
Etihad. India.
Fly Emirates is there, bro. But
But I said it. But
Yeah.
that's also
on
Punjab
Ramesh
Kings
Pawar.
11.
Yeah.
It's also there.
Chal, done. Time. Sammy
Yeah.
gets 4 points.
1 minute. Last.
Who was the fifth?
Done.
2
Your time's
seconds,
up.
James.
It was Sega.
Yo!
The gaming company.
Yes.
Dude, that's. I never knew, bro. When was that?
It was. Have you seen that golden and blue jersey?
This
With
last round is
Sylvain
plotted
Voltaire.
against me. I'm convinced.
Golden and blue was recent. No.
No, old.
Oh, the
early
old golden
2000s.
blue. Okay,
Early
okay.
2000s, golden and blue.
Okay. I don't remember that.
All right. Last question for 5 points. It's a 1 question. You get it right. You get it right. You get it wrong. You get 0.
This last round is plotted against me.
This
Just
is the
letting you
last
viewers
round?
know.
Yeah. No. There's one more
What the
round.
fuck is
Okay,
a
okay,
Jody
okay.
Morris?
Starting with Sammy. Yes. What is the name of your club's women's team's captain?
Oh.
Fuck.
5 points.
Does manager work?
No. Is it a man?
No.
Then that.
I almost got her name wrong, but Leah Williamson.
Correct. 5 points.
She's so hot. But she's is she a better footballer or better looking?
Looking for.
I have two in I don't know which
No. I would say she's a better footballer.
Yeah, I haven't seen her
But
play
she-
or
She must
ever
be
seen
really
her.
good at football, bro.
Yeah.
Me, I'm gonna guess. I'm not sure. I don't even know.
You can phone a friend
Bro, I
Taha
thought
if
it's a
you
football
want.
quiz, bro.
But Taha, fucking Taha won't answer also, bro. I'm gonna guess Ella Toon.
Wrong. It's
No.
Maya Letitia.
How could you not know that, bro?
Sorry.
Like I have two.
I don't watch
thinking
football.
of. Is
I only watch real football.
Is her name Bright?
First name?
Something with M, bro.
No.
Now, you should know both.
Bro, what
now.
do you mean Bright is her name, bro?
Imagine if
Full
we just
name.
called
I
you.
think-
Bro, that's ridiculous.
Full name.
Isn't it
Full name,
Lucy
full name.
Bronze?
Full name?
No. Long ago.
Bro, that's crazy.
Bro, 3 points. If you last name, I'm giving you 3 points. Full name 5. Chal.
Tell me if M was right at least.
Now I don't know, bro. I'm giving you 3 points.
Martha.
No, it's Mia Bright.
Millie.
Millie Bright.
Really dry.
Bro,
Mia Bhai.
that's some you're conspiring now, bro. Oh no, jersey is written Bright.
So,
Bro,
on a
come
birth
on, bro.
certificate is written Millie.
He didn't say Dennis Bergkamp, but he
Bro,
said
but
Bergkamp.
I would like to ask why a question about
Women's football has been asked.
is 5 points. Why is a women's football question 5 points?
Because it's difficult.
This is, but like it's about football, bro.
So women
So
don't play
difficult,
football.
yeah.
or what?
No, but like we watch men's football, bro. Who watches women's football?
I
mean, we got
Which was the last women's football match?
We got
you watched?
answers right, bro.
Fuck, bro, fuck this guy.
I stopped watching after.
Ankush, you have women on your FIFA Ultimate Team or no?
Bro, that's a
Bombastor?
game. It's a game.
So you should know.
Bombastor's ass, bro.
She's manager. she's the Chelsea women's manager.
Actually, oh shit, cool. I don't do that.
But
And my haze left to go.
But
Yeah.
5 points, bro. Women's football, like.
Yeah, I mean, I watched. I mean, I stopped watching.
I
after
watched.
Bro, no, you're not giving me 5 points for
After
Bright,
Leah
bro. That's
Williamson.
crazy. I said M Bright,
Tore
bro.
ACL.
Bro, M Bright, you can't not give me
Cool.
5 points. That's crazy. Just wait for me to host a quiz, bro. This guy's fucked.
bro, I've been so
Wallahi, you're fucked, bro.
Okay,
Walai.
Leah Williamson, better footballer than better looking, but that's how good she is because she's also very hot.
Bright is damn ugly.
Ankush is the
Look
best.
at these guys, bro, sexualizing. Look
How
at these
can you
guys.
ask a question about
No,
women's
no,
football?
no. Ask about women's football, but don't make it 5 points, bro. Like, that's what I was saying.
Bro, they play so well. I have to
Yeah,
give them
of
more
course
points
you
now.
have.
No, they do. Bro. Like
On
that-
FIFA.
If we
No,
want
no, no. The thing
No,
is
no,
that,
not even on
No,
FIFA.
No, the
Ankush
thing is that I can't even say truth. Our women's team is much better than our men's team also. So I can't even.
Also, if we won't talk about women's football,
Who
who
will?
will? So that's why we have to give it more importance.
RSG.
No, I was obviously joking. I respect
free
and love
shout-outs
women's
anymore.
football.
No free shout
No free shout outs
No
anymore.
free shout outs. Only to Ankush AFC, King Kush.
King Kush
AFC.
EAFC. Okay, make. Actually, I can do it here. Fuck, I don't know how to do this.
What happened? It's like he has to propose to someone or something.
No, you're giving me 5 points for Bright, bro.
That
If I
was-
lose by 2 points, no.
Bro, firstly, this fucker's taken a pity point and gone into the lead with this 5 points. bro.
Okay, start this round with Sammy.
Pity point. I knew Leah Williamson. Y'all didn't.
I knew Bright.
Y'all didn't know. Y'all don't believe in gender equality.
I said Bright.
Gender equality.
Y'all-
We
y'all-
don't believe in
I
gender
Y'all
equality.
said
believe-
the
I don't
answer.
believe in gender
I
inequality.
said
Y'all
the
believe in
answer.
gender
Okay,
equality.
I'll ask Sammy this question first, and it'll be an advantage for both of you because of the question. 15 seconds.
This is crazy, man.
15
Like you put me
seconds.
at a disadvantage at the start of the game.
Listen,
But
this
I-
last round was plotted
Putting me
against
under
me.
the lights,
Plotted
like,
against me.
I knew all the answers. Thinking
If
back,
you
I just got
keep
very
arguing, I'll give
nervous.
both of you -2.
No.
Bro, argue. Fucker.
Argue.
Continue.
Okay.
Give -2. Pussy.
He's challenging you,
Yeah,
bro.
give
Tana,
me-
he's challenging you, bro.
I bet you won't.
How can you not? He's challenging you, bro. You're the fucking chief over here, bro. Authority over here. Do something about it, bro.
He's a bitch.
Look at this, bro. He's questioning your authority.
ZS -1.
Bro, that's 2 less, bro. He called you a bitch. and all.
-1. 1 for bitch. Bro.
What a bitch. Cool.
Double bitch.
Okay, Sammy. Here we go. 15 seconds to name as many players as you can on the current squad. Your time starts in 2, 1, now.
Raya, White, Saliba, Gabriel, Tierney, Calafiori, Jorginho, Partey, Odegaard, Nwaneri, Kai Havertz, Mikel Merino.
Time.
Fuck, bro. I fucked it up so
13.
bad.
Shit, 12, bro. 100% said 12. We'll count it.
I don't know. I closed my
No,
eyes.
sorry.
Yeah.
You know,
No,
I was
he's
only looking at the
counting
clock,
13,
yeah.
13, 13. If he's saying 13, 13.
13, 13.
I hate these kind of games.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
same,
hate
same,
Zee was
this.
same,
too good,
same.
bro. Zee should
No,
start
no,
rapping
no,
now.
no chance.
You just
No
wait
chance.
and
Even
watch,
I'm
bro.
damn bad
No
under time
chance,
pressure.
no
yeah,
chance.
but
Yeah,
still, bro.
same.
Same question to you, Ankush. Your time starts in 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Dogu, Onana, Bruno, Menu, Anacho. Fuck, bro. These
Come on,
times.
Ankush. Come on, Ankush, bro. 5 seconds.
Maguire, Lindelof, Licha, Dallo, Mazraoui.
Time. 10.
These
Bro,
time
you got
pressure.
stuck,
questions.
huh?
Yeah, bro. These
Ankush got
these-
stuck.
these
Everybody
time-
stammers.
Yeah, bro, these time pressure
Stammers,
questions.
stammers.
bro.
I'm bad at
Fair
this.
enough, bro. This
Plus-
Zeus just starts rapping,
Arey,
bro.
balls,
Anytime
balls.
you play Links
Balls,
also, he's not actually good, bro. He just starts
Zeus-
rapping 10 players.
Your time starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Jorgensen, Sanchez, Reece James, Gusto, Colwell,
Colwell.
Fofana, Badiashile, Koulibaly. I say Cucurella, Caicedo, Enzo, Palmer, Sancho, Jackson, George, Tyreek George, Washington.
Time.
Benchut, who the fuck are half these guys,
But
bro?
Koulibaly doesn't play for.
I didn't say.
Count Koulibaly, no? 15. Sure? I'm trusting you,
Bro,
Nilesh.
this.
Bro, firstly, I
No,
don't.
you
Bro,
want extra
these guys
points.
have like 800 players, bro. Like, what the
That's
fuck, bro?
also insane. Bro.
It's 780 of them I don't know anyway.
If we sit in a room for an hour, I would name more players. Just give me more.
No
time.
chance.
Y'all have a bigger squad. That would be tough.
You're down by a few points.
I know, I
compared
know.
to These two, okay?
Yeah, I know.
Yuck, bro.
In 15 seconds,
Call him a bitch.
including
Schooled.
the no,
Call him
in
a
15
bitch.
seconds, including the
This is
manager.
damn. This is
Listen,
like,
Naya. -1.
No,
No, no, but bro.
no.
No, but bro, I don't want to be a bitch. If I lose, I lose,
It's
bro.
not a
It's
bitch
fine.
move. Trust me, it's a tough question.
Bro, I know. Bench of that squad. Firstly, we don't have players only.
15 seconds.
I'm not a bitch, but complain.
15 seconds to name as many players.
I respect his
on-
integrity. I would never like. He's not going to take a bitch point
Listen,
like I
just
did.
listen. Just listen.
No.
Just listen. 15 seconds to name as many players, including the manager on the women's team.
Okay.
Whoever you say gets added to your score.
It gets added? Okay,
Yeah.
chal. I can
Start
understand
counting.
2 at least now. Chal.
Your time starts. 2, 1, go.
Toon. That's the one I know. Who was the captain? Bencho, what did you say?
Come on,
What
Dharyani.
was her name, bro? This Parish also bounced. Nikita Parish, she was one I knew.
Robert
She
Parish?
bounced. Bro,
Chal.
I only know
5.
Ella Toon. I only know Ella Toon.
It was
Alex Morgan also bounced.
Maya Leticia.
Maya Leticia.
Matt Leticia's daughter.
Is it actually?
No, I
Yeah.
don't think so. Yeah.
I think
I
it
don't
is.
know. I
Might
mean,
be.
who has a name
Sounds like it.
Leticia?
All jeans, bro.
Yeah.
I mean,
I got +1 at least.
could be a niece or something also, no?
Huh?
That's
Could
also
be his
there.
niece or something also, no?
No.
No.
I don't know.
Bitch.
Should I give Ankush some more points to that?
No, bro. If I lose, I
You
lose,
want a
bro.
point for me or?
No. If I lose, bro.
So he's ready to smack us
I-
in FIFA, we lose
Yeah.
you.
I lose on these women's questions. It's fine, bro.
It's fine. Okay.
Ankush is going to go
Good
home
game,
and
good
watch
game,
some.
boys.
Ankush is going to go home and watch some Andrew Tate videos. No?
Yeah.
No, I don't support
sit
Andrew
like
Tate,
this.
bro. I know someone here is a big fan of Andrew Tate, though. Someone over here is a big fan of Andrew Tate.
This guy. Actually, this guy.
Even you are, bro.
I think he's funny, bro.
Yeah, he's hilarious.
Yeah, it's
He's hilarious, and I don't agree with everything he says, but his views on women are apt. It's a joke. It's a joke.
Bro, if that's the way you feel, it's fine, bro.
No, but like,
How can they demasculate me?
points
Points.
oh, done?
done.
I'm
Oh,
last.
quiz done? Oh, I
Done,
won.
done.
I won now.
Yeah, you are.
After
It's been
that,
40 minutes, bro.
after that horrendous start.
And third place is
Ella too.
Ankush Dharyani and
Ella
Man
too.
United. Unfortunately,
How many points?
40 points.
40 points we got.
The game is gone. A woman cost him.
In second
these
place,
sexist jokes.
there's a 1 point difference because of the -1.
Call him a bitch.
no,
Call him a
he's-
bitch.
you know,
I
he
dare
set
you
it
to
up like this,
Call him a
disgusting
bitch.
guy.
Call him a bitch.
No.
Call him a bitch.
No. He's,
Call him a bitch.
I lost, bro. He set it up like
No,
this. for a reason.
I lost. Dude.
No, he set it up like this for
I
a
think
reason.
Because of the -1.
I think Sammy won.
Second place is ZS and Chelsea
Yeah, I knew it.
with 44
One
points.
minute. He got a -1 and they gave me a pity point.
Actually, what the fuck?
So I am the winner. In reality, I am the
Hey,
winner.
a win is a win is a win.
Yeah.
Sammy wins with 45 points.
Chal, he needs to win something.
So I
at
was
least.
5 others, not too
It was
bad.
one question though, women's captain.
Yeah, that
Huh.
women's captain question. Fuck.
So I win.
Fair play.
So the
GGs,
winner is
boys.
Sammy.
GG's.
Damn, bro. After that horrendous start.
What? You're damn like you actually won, Chut. You have any shame or no? No, make it. Wanna make it a tiebreaker question or something?
I don't have a tiebreaker.
I don't know how hard is it to do a tiebreaker question, man. Okay, fuck it.
Fuck it.
So unlike-
I won, bro. Just
Yeah. Sammy won.
Unlike Arsenal, Sammy has won.
Call
With all
me.
the zeros.
Obviously, all the zeros he got.
all the
points.
zeros have finally helped me. I usually get roasted for that, but finally I got a championship in my name.
Okay. Any last things, Ankush, you want to share with us?
Ankush looks very disappointed, bro.
I'm annoyed because I lost because of a woman. That's why I'm annoyed.
I
Otherwise,
lost because of a bread.
No, you guys only said give it to him.
Well, because
game's a game.
it was actually a tough question. So
Game's a
fair,
game,
fair.
bro.
Call him a bitch.
No, but yeah, I just appreciate you guys having me on, bro. Thank
And-
you so much, and I had a great time.
Follow you on Instagram and subscribe to which YouTube channel?
To King Kush EAFC on Instagram and on YouTube, both. Thank
Check
you.
his gaming content out. It's awesome. It's a lot of fun to
You're
watch.
live also, no? You stream.
Yeah, I stream like 4 times a week live. Generally around 8:30 p.m. and on the weekends I do an afternoon stream. Like Saturday afternoon always around like 2 p.m. always.
Join in, guys. They're a lot of
Yeah.
fun to watch, honestly.
And he's actually damn good. Like,
He is really good.
Thank you.
like
Yeah.
since we were like 10 years old on the PS3 or whenever
Yeah.
it came out, he was damn good. Since then, and finally started streaming, not wasting his time just playing FIFA. Actually trying to make some money out of it. So I
Yeah.
respect that.
He might not have like elite ball knowledge, but he's good at FIFA.
But for real,
ball
join the...
knowledge is actually I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed
Now
with my
maybe-
performance here today. I have to come back for retribution.
So there are two ways that Ankush can go with this. Never watch women's sports again because it cost him and it's hurting him so bad. Or
Only watch.
only watch
No,
women's sports because
actually-
United's men's team sucks.
Exactly, bro. The men's team is so bad. I'd rather watch the women's team. I know. I know Ella Toon. I'll know more about the other players also now, bro.
I mean, Sammy is saying your team sucks a lot, but couldn't get 3 points against you all yesterday. So
Yeah, Arsenal also sucks, bro.
No, like I'll tell you the best part about Arsenal fans. This honestly makes me laugh, bro. We are in our worst era in my lifetime, right? This is our worst era. This is Arsenal's
By far.
best
By far.
era in the last
20.
years, and we have won more than them. Like, think about that, bro.
Never forget. Never forget.
Not in the
Bro.
past 20 years. What are you saying? I mean,
In the
20 years, if you want to get mathematical, we won the...
No, you're
Mathematical then
In
22.
20 years, bro. You know how many Premier Leagues we won in
This is the
when
best
Fergie
team
was
we'll have
there?
had in
No,
the
I'm
last
saying,
20
my
years.
argument is that this is not a best era.
This is the best team you'll have had in the last
In
20
the last
years.
20 years, this
But
is
like
your
our
best
2005,
performance.
6, 7 team was also pretty good. We
But you all
finished
won
second.
nothing then. You all won nothing.
Yeah, that's there.
We're
We
doing nothing
bro,
now.
we were shit and finished
They were the
second.
best, so we haven't won
I'm not
anything.
going to argue about this.
Bro, we were
I
shit
know,
and
it's a
finished
losing-
second.
It's a losing argument, bro. Anything I say, I'm
If I
gonna look
remember
dumb.
correctly, the last Premier League you won was 03-04. I think
If
it
you
was in the
remember
quiz.
Oh, wow, bro. Wow, bro. You've designed the quiz and he's flexing like he knew the answers, bro.
I don't think he knew where United's last title was.
He wouldn't know.
Of course I know.
No, bro,
Why do you think he didn't want to do this? Know your club.
It's Fergie's last year, bro. It was
Yeah,
Fergie's
Fergie's last year, have to know,
so
bro.
Yeah, you had to
Van
know.
Persie number 20, bro.
Yeah, 20.
Come on.
Bro, imagine, bro, Arsenal legend.
Oh, Arsenal legend. Fuck, I forgot.
He came to United 1 year, won a fucking Premier League.
See, bro, there's no winning for me, bro.
Yeah, there isn't.
Yeah, it just hurt.
That's our
hurt,
whole
hurt.
point.
And I'm just
That's the
addicted to it like a bad drug now. It's
Chai,
fine. Now it is what it is.
Pushing the outro.
Thank you guys. Like and subscribe. Check out King Kush EAFC on Instagram and YouTube. See you guys next time.
Chalo.